Hello everyone, welcome back to Lamri and Mom's vlog. So today we'll be making buldak, carbonara buldak. So let's start.
Guys, we are going to eat now. This is not 3 eggs, this is
Pink buldak.
Carbonara buldak.
carbonara buldak.
So let's begin to eat. Yes. My lips is burning.
It's not spicy at all.
No.
Not spicy.
My fucking lips.
Your broken lips.
Yes.
Oh no. Everyone is enjoying.
It's amazing. Enak. Lembut.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Okay, bye.
Bye.